mitral regurgitation, ventricular septal defect, constrictive pericarditis. Now you can imagine it. Early A2. A2 is closing. A2 is closing early. Aortic valve is closing early. Mitral regurgitation. Why? Let's analyze it properly. See, these things may not be by heart. This can be understood. Now we are trying to analyze why exactly mitral regurgitation going to produce early A2. Now you may think that mitral regurgitation तो mitral wall का problem है, तो aortic wall में कैसे उसका reflection होगा? So think about it. This is what is a mitral wall, and it is regurgitating. That means during left ventricular contraction, blood is going back into the left atria. Blood is going back into the left atria. Now think about it. ये aortic valve है. Now when the left ventricle contract, it's going to push the blood into the left atria also, and remaining blood is going to go into the aorta. That means aorta is going to receive less blood. If it is going to receive less blood, it's going to also valve is going to close earlier. क्योंकि उसमें से ज़्यादा ब्लड जा ही नहीं रहा है ना. More blood is not going to go through, so it's going to close earlier. Again, early A2, mitral. So mitral valve problem results into aortic valve problem, or aortic valve findings. Not problem, but findings. Use aortic valve finding. This is what is going to be very, very important point to understand. Very, very important point to understand. So mitral valve problem results into aortic valve finding. We understood that mitral valve regurgitation, blood goes back into the left atria. Some blood will go into the aorta. Aorta is going to receive less blood. Going to be having early A2, ventricular septal defect. Same thing, left ventricle to right ventricle blood जाएगा. Ventricular septal defect में left ventricle के पास less blood रहेगा, तो aorta के पास less blood जाएगा. Is going to produce early A2 component is going to come earlier, or A2 aortic valve closure is going to become early. Constrictive pericarditis. It may also be late P2. Similar finding. Late right bundle branch block, left ventricular ectopics, left ventricular pacemakers. ठीक है. Wide fixed split atrial septal defect, right ventricular failure, or you can also imagine it. थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने को मैकेनिक्स उसमें अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. ASD, there is a wide and fixed split of S2. Wide due to increased pulmonary hangout interval, prolonged right ventricular ejection. Fixed as atrial septal equalizes left atrial, right atrial pressure throughout the respiratory cycle. Okay, understand it. So these are the findings we may also get. Reverse splitting of S2, मतलब क्या, early P2 and delayed A2. Normally क्या होता है, A2 पहले आता है, P2 बाद में आता है. So reverse splitting is going to happen in these situations. Aortic stenosis severe, हमने ऑलरेडी देखा कि aortic stenosis अगर है तो ये तो A2 डिले होता है या तो एब्सेंट रहता है. All depends upon how much is the aortic stenosis. So early P2 and delayed A2 occurs in case of reverse splitting, because normally P2 component comes late, A2 components come earlier. A2 components come earlier. There you go. So these are the situations where we can see reverse splitting. You can also remember, एग्ज़ाम में भी पूछ सकते हैं, या तो वाइवा में भी आ सकता है, या तो फिर MCQs में भी आ सकता है. So these were peculiarities about the second heart sound. So we talked about softness of the second heart sound,